Hey everyone, and welcome with me today in this new video. I hope you are doing good, and this is a new video today related to AdSense, and where I'm going to show how to change your associated AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Okay, to a new AdSense account. But before we go on in this video, I want just to remind you to don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you don't want to make it, hit it now and like the video, and you want to wait until the end of the video to see if this video is helpful and worth hitting the subscribe button, and me waiting you at the end of the video to remind you to subscribe, because I'm sure this video is gonna be so helpful for you. Okay guys, so let's get started. Let's go. Then when you are in your channel here, just go to this place and click on customize channel and wait a little bit. Okay, it's gonna give you this window here, so just go left to your window here and go down until you found this section here called earn. Click on it, and then just go to this place where you're gonna find this place here, which tell you that you are a YouTube partner program option, and where you found information about your YouTube AdSense account. But before we continue, I want just to tell you something else which is really important. You can't do this process only. You can't change your associated link AdSense account if you are not yet approved in the YouTube partner program, and your channel was verified through the three steps, and linked your AdSense account before, and YouTube verified your channel and approved you with that notification to the YouTube partner program. So this is so important that you can change your AdSense account. You have to be approved to the YouTube partner program, and your earn section is like this. You can see this window like this one, that you can change your AdSense account. And another thing is that if you have some issues and problems with linking your AdSense account in the first steps of verifying your channel, I have some videos which is really helpful and interesting, and can solve your issue here, like in progress. If you are in progress, that's orange in progress in linking your AdSense account, or that error red error message, just go check them out. I have those videos here in the channel, and they are very helpful. And let's go continue our video. So here you found the place where you can change your linked AdSense account to a new one. So first thing is to click on change here. So you're gonna be redirected to your AdSense and to authenticate with your existing account with your password, and then continue in further steps. Proceed. Okay, now you have to authenticate with your existing password. Just copy and paste your password, and we're gonna meet after. Okay, now I put my password, and let's just click on next. Guys, about this step here, we should enter a certain code. Actually, honestly, I found it a little bit complicated, but it's not so complicated. It's easy in the same time, because it's just Google that wants to make sure it's you and protect your account, and it's not someone else that is hacking your Google account. So it's so important. So just if you want to go through this step here, you have to follow these steps here. They are very easy. You have to use your phone, open the settings, go to Google, choose your account, the account which is here in the account. Make sure you choose the account which is related to your AdSense. Then tap manage your account, select the security tab. You have to scroll a little bit to the right, and there's sign into you found there sign into Google, tap security code, and there maybe your phone are gonna need you to tap your phone code to enter those codes. Then you can choose again, make sure to choose again at the top of your phone the account, the Google account that is related to your AdSense account, to have the right codes to enter here. So I'm gonna do this process. I found my codes, so I'm gonna just put them here and found you after. And I just put my codes and I clicked on skip or next, and you'll be redirected to this window here. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. Just click on continue. So we are going to be redirected to AdSense here in this step, where we are going to choose the new account that you want to link to our channel, YouTube channel. But before we go on, I want you to go back to here and tell you that you have to read this place here, because it's interesting, because it tells you that if you have an active AdSense account, the other new AdSense account, if it's already created and it's active, the association process actually takes just a couple of minutes. But if you are creating a new AdSense account, like in the case here, the approval and association process can take up to several days. Okay, so there then the monetization will commence when the association is complete. Okay, so just I wanted to tell you this notification here. So let's go back there. So here we're going to choose our new address, Gmail address account with which we're going to create this new AdSense account. So let's click on use another account. So here we're going to enter our new Gmail address with which we want to create this new AdSense account. So I'm gonna just enter it here and found you after that. So when you enter your email address, just click on next. Then here you have to enter the password. The password, you don't enter the old password of the your already existing AdSense account. Enter the password of this new Gmail account with this new AdSense account. Okay, so I'm gonna enter my password and then continue. So guys, I entered my password and just let's go click next. Okay, let's wait a little bit for yes. Okay, you're signed in. You should have this same window now, and let's a little bit see what is it about. If you would like, take a few moments to help Google work better for you. Okay, not now, just maybe just go down here and click not now. Okay, let's wait a little bit again. And now Google AdSense gives you this window where you have to enter your informations. Okay, so guys, here in this video, in this window, what should you do is that you should verify if it's your account here at the top of the window, the account, the new account you choose it for the AdSense account. If it's your account, it's fine. So go down again next here to this place, your website, where you have to see if the link, if the URL of your YouTube channel is the same of your channel. If you doubt if it is the same or not, and you want to check if it's your channel, the URL of your channel, follow me. I'm gonna show you how. Just go back to your channel customization page window. Go here in this place and go to customization. Under customization, go to basic info, then go down a little bit to found your channel customized URL, and you can just see if it's the same or not. And at the majority of cases, Google AdSense automatically puts your correct URL of your channel YouTube. Okay, so then you can scroll down and click on get more out of AdSense. Click on yes or no, your choice. So I'm gonna choose yes. Select your country here, just select your country. I'm gonna choose mine, choose yours. Okay, here please review and accept our terms and conditions. If you remember, Google AdSense tells you to read and accept its terms and conditions. You can read this or just let it like if you want. The majority of us don't read it, so just go down and click yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and then go a little bit down and click on create account. Okay, let's wait a little bit again and see what's going to happen. Okay, we are still in AdSense websites. Customer information. Okay, alright, so we have to choose or fill some new or other information here. I'm gonna fill this and meet you after. I guess you here where we have to put if we are individuals or business. Lots of us just choose individual here, name and address. Here in this place you have to put your information, name, address and stuff like this, but it should be very correct to not fall into problems after. So I'm gonna put this information and meet you after. So guys, I filled carefully my informations and just before I want to tell you something else. Just make sure to scroll here in this place and with your mouse to make sure that it's your new Gmail address that you're creating with this AdSense account, and then just go down and click on submit. Google needs to verify your phone number. Okay, Google needs to verify your phone number, so enter your phone number to get a verification code. So here you have to enter your phone number, Google will send you a verification code that you have to put it here to continue. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone number and continue after. So I entered my phone number, and now you have to choose if you want to receive this call as a text message or voice call. The majority of us will choose of course the text message, so let's choose text message like SMS and click send. Okay, now I'm gonna wait if that code is sent to me, and for that I entered here. Okay guys, so guys, I received the code, verification code. I entered here. So when you enter your verification code, it's on 6 digits, 6-digit verification code, 6 numbers. Then just click on submit. You will be redirected to YouTube. We are redirecting you to YouTube, where you can continue your setup and start using AdSense. Okay, just wait, don't touch anything, they will redirect you automatically. As you see here, you are redirected back to YouTube, I guess to your YouTube channel studio. Yes, that's correct. So like you see, we are now here again in our YouTube channel studio. Okay, that's great, and that's normal. They are going to put you again in this step 2 in progress. Before that, they link your AdSense account, and then you are done. You not need to go through the step 3 of verification, because it's done for your channel. They are just going to because you associated with a new AdSense account with your new Gmail address. They need to take some time to verify that AdSense account. Maybe it's gonna take just 24 hours or less, and sometimes for several days. And when it's done, the verification, you're gonna find done, and you're gonna come back as you were your channel in the in before. So for now, this video is done, and don't forget please to subscribe. I'm remembering you again to subscribe and like the video as much as possible, and share it if you want, and I'm gonna be seeing you soon in another video.